Hey everybody, it's Adam again. Today we're going to work on the 2011 Yukon. We're going to do a quick fix on the rear liftgate struts. Come along for the ride. So how can you tell if your rear liftgate struts have gone bad? Well, when you go ahead and open up the back with the automated liftgate, it'll come up about halfway and then drop back down without anything else blocking it in the way. Or my favorite is when you go ahead and pull on the latch to pull it up, it's so heavy you lift it up in the air and then it wants to drop down all on its own if you don't get out of the way. And if you just happen to get it in the mode here where it's not completely hooked up, if you drop it, yep, it'll crush right down like that real fast. And actually it hit my beer. So it's a relatively quick fix here. We're gonna go ahead and replace these two assist struts and we'll be back in business. Whoa! What we're gonna do is remove this passenger side strut first. And I've got a nice brush holding everything up here so we don't have this drop on my back wall underneath here. And basically you can see where there's kind of a slot here. Put a flathead screwdriver in there. Watch out for that little tab coming out of there, but get that little tab up and out of the way. Should be able to come out of there once you get this clip off of here. As you can see, it's kind of oily on there. Okay, there's the bottom of that one, and we're going to go ahead and do the top of this here too. So I can tell this was definitely the side doing the lifting. The other side must be the one that's bad, because as soon as I broke that bottom piece loose, man, she wanted to take off. There we go. So we got the passenger side off. Let's go to the driver's side. It's in there, get that little clip out of there. Oh, that one came right off of there pretty easy. And this one has virtually no pressure left in it. Go ahead and get the top off here. Just watch your face. There you go. So we got the driver's side off. You know, the passenger side one still seems good. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that one behind the barn for a couple years. Driver's side, yeah, she's bad. Fully collapsed on herself there. So we're gonna go ahead and pitch this one. Let's open up this package we've had sitting in the back of my truck for the last 6 months and make sure we got the right stuff. Look at that. Straight out of the bag. A UX Moto. And on both ends, looks like what we want. Although this little, okay, there we go. That little ball joint was a little loose there, but we're gonna go ahead and install these on here. Start with the top side over here. Don't know if we're gonna, oh, there we go, okay. Didn't even have to take our little clip off of there, so we got the top on there. Nice little test pull, and it's on there good. Now for the bottom side, might have to compress her up a little bit. Oh boy, she's pretty strong there. So we're gonna lift up the gate, and I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. There we go. That is on there good, all right. One side alone will not hold this up, so we gotta go put our brush back underneath it to hold the door up to do the driver's side. All right. Top hooked up on there. And let's get the bottom pushed in here. And we'll push around right here. There we go. There she's on. Look at that. I probably shouldn't stand underneath there, but okay, so we've got both of the new struts underneath there. Let's go ahead and give her a test shot here. Let her down. There we go. She is down good, and let's go ahead and open her up here and see how that goes. All right, look at that. She's staying up there, she's released. Man, these UX Moto struts replacements that I got on Amazon are doing the job. Look at that. Mama's gonna be so happy she can finally load groceries in the back. Success! So if you like the content, go ahead and hit like and subscribe down below. You'll see more on the Yukon behind me. We got a 2019 Yukon as well. A couple BMWs and my Subaru STI. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.